Good morning. Myself, Professor Amarnath Shetty, Professor in Civil Department, AJIT, Mangalore. We will today I will explain aerial photogrammetry in advanced surveying. Aerial photogrammetry is a branch of photogrammetry where in the photograph are taken by the camera mounted in an aircraft flying over the area. Okay. Then we go for the application of aerial photogrammetry. Application of aerial photogrammetry. First on geology, structural geology, investigation of water resources, analysis of thermal pattern on the Earth's surface, geomorphological studies, including investigation of shore features. Forestry, timber investigator, cover map, and acreage studies. Okay. Then agriculture is soil type, soil conversion, crop planting, crop diseases, crop acreage. Okay. Then design and construction. Next, data needed for site and route studies, specifically for alternate schemes of photogrammetry used in design and construction of dams, bridges, and transmission line. Planning of cities and highways. Okay. New highway location designed for construction contracts. Planning of civil improvement. Cadastral problems such as determination of land line for assignment of taxes. Large area cadastral maps are prepared for reappointment of land. Environment studies. Next, land use studies. Okay, exploration to identify zero down areas, various exploratory jobs such as soil or mineral exploration. Okay. Then we go for military intelligence, recognize for development of forces, planning maneuvers, and assessing the effect of operation, initiating problem related to topography, training condition of work. Okay, medicine and surgery. Next, we go for medicine, stereographic measurement on the human body, X-ray photogrammetry in the location of foreign material in the body, location and examination fracture and grooves and biostereometers. Okay. Then miscellaneous. Okay. Crime detection, traffic study, oceanography, meteorology observation, architecture, archaeological survey, countering beef cattle for the animal husbandry, etc. These are the uses of photogrammetry. Okay, aerial photogrammetry. What we gone for this all is the uses of aerial photogrammetry. Okay, aerial photogrammetry make use of the camera fitted on the aircraft, which is the area overhead position. The principle of stereography vision used in study of interpreting aerial photographs. Therefore, overlapping photographs are taken in the direction of light, while lateral direction as the aircraft flies along the parallel path. Okay. Basic terminology of aerial photograph. Picture plane. It is a plane perpendicular to camera axis at the focal distance in front of lens. It is represented by the positive contact of the point of photograph. Image plane, the plane perpendicular to the lens axis which images or exterior object are focused by the lens. It is also known as negative plane. Camera axis is line passing through the center of the uh, camera line perpendicular to both camera plate and picture of the plane. Optical axis coincide with the camera axis if the camera free from the error. Okay. Then we go for next explore station. Explore station is a point in a space in the air occupied by the camera lens at the instant of explore. Precisely, it is the space position of the optical center of the camera. Okay. Then vertical photograph. Vertical photograph is an aerial photograph made up with the camera axis or vertical axis is vertical coinciding with the direction of gravity. Tilted photograph is an aerial photograph made up with the camera axis or optical axis. Okay. uninitially tilted with a vertical by the small amount less than 3 degree. Okay. Then we go for oblique photograph. Oblique photograph is an aerial photograph taken with the camera axis deliberately inclined to the vertical at the large angle. This because views in a vertical photograph is generally unfamiliar to human eye. Inclination makes the view familiar. Perspective projection. Perspective projection, one produced by the straight line radiating from the common point of passing through the point of sphere to the plane projection. This photograph is perspective projection. Flying height is elevation exposed station above the sea level or any other selected atom. Flight height is a line drawn on the map to represent the track of aircraft. Flight line. Okay, flight height. Okay, flight line is a line drawn to the map of the represent the track of the aircraft. Focal length, it is the distance from the front nodal point of the lens of the plane of photograph. It also distance of the image plane from the rear nodal. Equivalent focal length, the distance of the image plane from the rear nodal point or the distance of the plane, the photograph from the front nodal point, yielding best average definition. Okay. The principal point. Principal point, whereas the optical axis of the camera sticks the photograph, also it is the foot of the perpendicular to image plane from the rear nodal point in the camera lens system free from manufacturing error. Okay. Nadir point is the point where plumb line dropped from the front nodal point presses the photograph. This point is known as photonadir or photoplumb point. Ground nadir point or a ground plumb point datum intersection with the plumb line to the front nodal point. Tilt is the vertical angle defined by the intersection at the exposed station of the optical axis of the plumb line. Principal plane is a plane defined as a length O, the ground nadir point N, and the principal point produced to the ground K. Principal line is the line of intersection of the principal plane, which is the plane of the photograph. Isocenter is the point in which the bisector of the angle of tilt meet the photograph. Swing is the angle measured in the plane of photograph on positive y-axis clockwise to the nadir point. Azimuth of the principal plane, sometimes also known as azimuth of photograph, is clockwise horizontal angle measured about the ground nadir point from the ground survey northern meridian to the principal plane of the photograph. It is thus ground survey direction of the tilt. Horizon point is the intersection of the principal line of the horizontal line through the perspective center. It is near to vertical or tilted photograph, the point generally outside the photograph. In a high photograph, however, it is the photograph. Yeah, it is in photograph. Okay. Next, axis of tilt. Axis of tilt, a line of the plane of photograph and perpendicular to the principal line of isocenter. The plane photograph tilt the horizontal about the axis. Next, equipment used for aerial surveying. Aircraft camera is required to aerial survey. The method expensive but a large project, taking photograph only job to be done. A lot more work is done using stereo photograph equipment in office. A large number of camera model available, different focal length and others. Okay. Next, aerial camera is very important. This camera is used for aerial photography, mainly aerial camera. The primary function of terrestrial camera, well as the aerial camera, same, that taking picture. However, the aerial camera mounted fast moving aeroplane, its requirement quite different. The aerial camera requires fast length. First, it required fast length. Second, it required high speed efficient shutter. Third, it requires high speed emulsion for the film. Then it need a focal plane, it need a camera body, it need a drain mechanism, it need magazine. Okay, these are the important part we need for the aerial camera. This is the part, very important parts of the aerial camera. We can see the diagram of the aerial camera. First on magazine, you can see here this is the magazine. Okay. Second on focal plane, you can see the focal plane here. Okay. Third one body, we can see the body here. Third one is the body. Okay. Fourth one turretin. Okay, this one. Okay, turretin. Fifth one cone. This is the cone. Okay. Sixth one lens. We can see the lens here. This one. Okay, this is the lens. Sixth one. These both are the lens. Okay. Seventh one shutter. This is the shutter. Okay. Eighth one diaphragm. Okay. Ninth one. Okay, we go for the filters. Okay, this is the diagram. Okay, lens assembly. Lens assembly consists of lens, diaphragm, the shutters and filters. Since aircraft at a considerable distance from the terrain to be photographed and in the point to be considered infinity distant from the lens of the focal plane, aerial camera is fixed located. Such aerial camera always fixed for the uh, fixed focus, the focal being set up for infinity. The ideal length of the cardinal point n and n dash, well, the common for all the rays of the object, that is, they meet the common point n and n dash shown in the figure area camera. These 2 points n and n dash are known as front nodal point and rear nodal point respectively. If the ray of the light directed at the front nodal point, it reflects by the lens system that appears emerges from the rear nodal point without having undergone any change in direction. The distance n1 c1 between the rear nodal point and a plane of infinite focus is called focal length of the lens system. Okay. The photographic computation of the often convenient to eliminate the distance n dash and super expose n. Okay, n dash and n as shown in the figure. Okay, this is n dash n. This is the image plane. Okay, this is the object plane. Okay, A, D, B, D, C, C dash, E dash, B dash, E. Okay. Now we go for another one. This is the one to A, B, C, D, E. This is the nodal point. It's the H, L. Okay. The camera shutter consists of interval of time during the light allowed through the lens. Aircraft move high speed. The fast is fast camera vibration forward the aircraft. Shutter generally varies from 1 to 100 seconds or 1 to 1000 seconds. Therefore, it needs focal plane lower time. Okay. Diaphragm is placed between the element of the physical opening of the system. It consists of serial increase the handle the pass through the diaphragm opening. Filter is the it consists of a piece of colored glass placed in front of the lens. Filter is utilized in atmosphere cause it protects from the flying. Okay. Then camera cone. Camera cone support the entire lens assembly including filters. The top of the provide a culmination mark which define the focal plane of the camera. Focal length, the culmination mark are provided at the upper surface of the cone. The focal plane provided exactly above the culmination mark. It kept a distance from the nodal point is the best to provide image obtained. Camera body is the last this one camera body is the part of the camera provide the top of the cone. Sometimes it forms the integral part of the cone. The act interior pressure of the orientation of the camera calibrated. Okay, then drain mechanism is the mechanism housed of camera body winding traffic